Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a mediation process with collaborative practice, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core principles of collaborative practice. Familiarize yourself with the concept of mediation and how it differs from traditional conflict resolution methods. Identify the parties involved in the mediation process. Ensure that all participants are committed to resolving the conflict collaboratively. Create a safe and respectful environment for the mediation. Set ground rules that promote open communication and respect among all parties. Establish the agenda by identifying the key issues that need to be addressed. Encourage each party to express their perspective on the issues at hand. Listen actively and paraphrase their concerns to demonstrate understanding and empathy. Guide the discussion towards identifying common interests rather than focusing solely on positions. Help the parties brainstorm potential solutions that satisfy their needs. Encourage collaboration in developing mutually beneficial agreements. Facilitate a clear and organized decision-making process. Document the agreements reached in a written format for clarity. Ensure that all parties understand their commitments and the next steps moving forward. Conclude the mediation by summarizing the main points and agreements made. Follow up with the parties after the mediation to assess implementation and satisfaction. Reflect on the mediation process to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Keep learning and developing your skills in collaborative practice for future mediations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.